What's up, guys? Latest edition of the Sam Jones Show. Today I'm here in York County with my partner, Dr. Eden. We have a little dispute over some earnest money, so we're about to go in here for a hearing at 11 and see how this turns out. Stay tuned. Okay, let me give you a little update on this property. So this is a townhouse located in the Fort Mill area. Me and my client put this property under contract about a year or so ago. It was actually June of last year. Not exactly sure it was taking it so long to get to court. But anyway, we actually put the property under contract. My client came to the table with a full price offer in which he didn't have inspections completed. Upon the completion of inspections, we found some things that needed to be repaired. We put together a repair addendum, took it to the seller, asked the seller to make the repairs, in which she declined to make any repairs. At that point, my client backed out of the deal, terminated the contract, and for whatever reason, the seller decided they would not return the earnest money. So here we are today. We're gonna show up here at court and see exactly what the judge decides. All right, man, you getting prepared to go ahead and get this check back, man? All right, guys, we just stepped out of court. It was a pretty easy case, like I thought. We did get the $2,000 in earnest money back. What'd you think about the case, man? How'd it go?
Well, I'm pretty happy with the way it went. The judge, the contract language was pretty plain, and the judge saw it that way. He saw it the way we did. And this is what I always tell my friends, my buddies. No matter how simple a real estate contract seems to be, get a good real estate agent on your side. You never know when you need one. You don't want one who's going to leave you high and dry. You're looking for someone who will follow you to court, state a case if needed, and just be there for you, right? You don't want to do this stuff alone. It gets pretty tricky sometimes. Thanks, Sam. You're the man.
All right, you heard it, Dr. Eden. We all the way up here, Fort Mill Magistrate in York County. Sam Jones checking out. Stay tuned.